similar volume, okay? First thing we're going to do is find our matching or corresponding sides. That would be the 8 and the 6. They're in the same place on my larger and smaller shapes. Scale factor, you always do the biggest divided by the smallest. So 8 divided by 6 gives me 1.3, and that's recurring on your calculator. Now, in order to find my volume scale factor, it's cubed. So I need to take that value, times it by itself 3 times, use your calculator. That gives you 2.370, and those 2 digits are recurring. Now, to find our smaller volume, that's what it's asking me to find. Smaller means divide, okay? So I'm going to take my 640, I'm going to divide it by my scale factor, which we just worked out. Chuck that all in on your calculator, it gives you 270, and we are in millimetres. So finding your scale factor first, the biggest divided by the smallest on your corresponding lengths, the ones that are in the same place on your larger and smaller shape. Cubing it always then, because it's to do with volume. So volume would be centimetres cubed or metres cubed, so telling me I'm timesing the number by itself 3 times. Then you decide whether you want to go from the biggest to the smallest or the other way around. So if you're making your number bigger, it means you need to times the 2 things together. Because I want to make it smaller, this shape is smaller, and that's the one that has the missing measurement, I need to make sure I'm dividing. So I divide my number, which is 640, by my scale factor, the smallest number on the bottom, and chucking that in your calculator gives you 270 millimetres.